Audi Drive Select lets you choose driving modes, adjusting the drive characteristics of the vehicle to your personal preferences. To change modes, press the Drive Select button above the selector lever in the center console and choose your preferred mode on the screen. Alternatively, you can reach your preferred mode by pressing the Drive Select button several times. Choose from one of up to 6 drive mode presets. Off-road adjusts the vehicle for driving on unpaved roads, providing a higher ground clearance, specific drivetrain characteristics optimized for off-road use, and wheel adaptive torque setting combined with a restricted electronic stability control. All-road provides a higher ground clearance for daily on-road use on bumpy roads, combined with balanced overall vehicle handling. Efficiency mode is suited for a more economical driving style. This switches the drivetrain and the air suspension to a more energy-efficient setup and sets air conditioning to Eco mode. Comfort offers a softer ride, suited for long drives and highways with smooth steering and a comfortable suspension setting. Auto provides an overall balanced setting of all vehicle functions suited for everyday use. Dynamic is suited to a sporty driving style, tightening the suspension and steering response while adjusting the drive system for a more dynamic response. And Individual, which allows you to tailor the vehicle setup individually to your personal driving style. Press the Edit icon to adjust individual vehicle functions, such as the drive system, which adjusts accelerator response and the power level of the drivetrain. Suspension adjusts the ride between a sporty, responsive feel or a softer, comfort-oriented ride. Vehicles equipped with air suspension set the ground clearance according to the chosen profile. Select Steering to adjust steering response for a lighter or tighter feel. Additional on the S and RS models equipped with exhaust flaps, the optional engine sound lets you change from a subtle tone to a throatier, sporty sound. These features can be adjusted individually for custom-tailored vehicle response. Audi Drive Select allows you to change the character of your car noticeably wherever you are and whenever you like.